Alrighty, well, welcome to Module 2, Lesson 2. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at how estimation can be used to help us with multiplication. So to start us out, we're going to take a problem and we're going to use some estimation to try to get close to the problem. So if we were given the problem 456 times 42. Those numbers are pretty complicated, but I can use estimation to see if I'm close. So I'm going to estimate that 400 is rounded to 500 and that 42 is rounded to 40. And now I have some really friendly numbers to start working with. And so what I can do is then just do 4 times 5, which is 20, and then add in my number of zeros behind. So 1, 2, 3. And I'm done. 200,000. 20,000, sorry. So if we had a bigger number, let's say this had a 0 on the end, well, then all we have to do is add a 0 here, right? 4,560 is really close to 5,000. Multiply that times 42. No thanks. Let's check it times 40. Again, it's just another 0. So a lot of that is just thinking about how we can use like estimation to get things that are a simpler form, right? And check our work really is one of the big reasons to use estimation. What I find is students like to multiply, and you guys will multiply, you have no problem with that, but you don't like to check your work. And so if the answer is like way off, way wrong, you will never check it. And this is one of the easiest ways to check it, is to just use some estimation. So if we had the number 1,320 times 88, ugh, gross. I don't want to do that. Do you want to do that? No, thank you. But I don't mind doing 1,300 times 90. That seems okay. Like, what I can do then is do 13 times 9, right? And 9 times 3 is 27. And 9 times 1 is 9, plus 2 is 11, so 117. And then what I can do is just add my zeros on. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is about that. Those are good estimates for it. And so using those estimates, we can kind of see, hey, am I in anywhere in the vicinity of the correct answer? And so that's just a really good way to check your work, is by rounding and estimating. Yeah. So that's the lesson, is find those friendly numbers. Think about what friendly numbers they round to, what numbers are easy to work with. The title of this lesson is Basic Facts. And so you're just thinking about, hey, how can I round these numbers to find that most basic number? And do that. And then multiply those numbers to check. Okay, now this isn't going to give you an exact answer ever, but it'll let you know if you're in the vicinity of correct, if you're somewhere near. So you're going to go work on Lesson 2. Module 2.